Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to do an unboxing from City Color Cosmetics. All these makeup companies are coming out with like all these like fruit themed makeup and collections, and I freaking love that. So I saw this one and it was pretty affordable, so I'm like, why not? Let me pick it up. So I picked up La Sandia, which is the watermelon, and I picked up La Pina eyeshadow palette. And this is the collection. This is La Fruta collection, which means the fruit, with that. And then it also included some lip glazes. So let's unbox this so I can show you guys. Look how cute the packaging is. Like, it has like the little name and the little watermelon. So cute. Oh my god, I love it. So it says live life with a little spice. And then this is the palette right here. It has its nice mirror and it's very cute shades. So the shade names are Heights, Pico, 323 LA, Saladito, 90022, Valley, IE, Fuego, Barrio, Venice, Angeleno, SoCal, like South Carolina, LBC, Long Beach. I love it. That's very cute, and I like how they mixed like the names, and the colors are real pretty. Let me swatch a few of them. So let's swatch like this real pink one, because of course you think of watermelon, you think pink. So let's swatch that pink one right there. I'm pretty sure these are, you're gonna have to work more with them because it's a very like affordable brand. So let's see this very pretty green one right here. So let's try and swatch that. It's pretty good. I like that. The pink one is called 90022 and this one is called Barrio. And then let's swatch Pico, which is this kind of like burgundy-ish color. That's pretty. They're very pretty colors. I like that look with those three colors. So this is La Sandia, and now we're gonna open the Pina, or La Pina, the pineapple. And this is La Pina, very cute. This is cute too. These are kind of like lighter colors. It's the same concept, it just has pineapple, and then these are the colors. This is the scheme of colors. The names are Fresh, Chill, Block, Downtown, 213, Like, Picante, Alameda, Ice, Boulevard, Fruta, 626, Squad, and Post Up. So let me swatch this very pretty like bluish icy blue color. Let's swatch that. Let's see. Ooh, that's so pretty. Let's swatch Picante, which is like the orangey kind of color. Oh my god, did I not bring any wipes to wipe myself with? So this is Picante. It's got a little more chalky. And then I'll do one more. I'll do, let's see, Ice. I'll do Ice, which is this white right here. Oh my god, I didn't bring like wipes and stuff. My hands are like full of eyeshadow. Oh my god. This is Ice right there. So these are very cute. I like that. Okay, and then let's do, the only thing I'm kind of like weirded about is that nothing really has anything to do with fruit. Like the names, or like, I don't know, it's weird. But anyhow. All right, so I'm gonna swatch the lip glazes. So we have, this is in Limon. This pinky one is called Chile. Can you see that? And then this one is called Sal. Okay, like salt, obviously. So I'm gonna swatch them for you guys now. I don't even know what part of my arm I'm gonna swatch these on, because the biggest mistake is that I forgot to bring wipes, guys. How smart. Alright guys, so I don't really know how I'm gonna show you these, but let's see. Alright, can you even see that? There they are. So you can't see them too much. This is limon. This is chile. No. This is sal, chile, and limon here. You can't see that too well. I had like nowhere else to swatch these. So those are the little lip glazes. I'm really enjoying them. I think they're so pretty. I really like them. I would probably even put some chile on top of this color. What do you guys think? Did it make a difference? I don't even know. All right, guys, so that's it for the Fruta collection from City Color Cosmetics unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are interested in picking this up, I'm gonna be leaving the link down below. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.